Hi everyone, we can discuss exercise 17a, question number 55. In a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, angle A is to angle C is equal to 3 is to 1 and angle B is to angle D is equal to 1 is to 5. Find each angle of the quadrilateral. Given angle A is to angle C is equal to 3 is to 1 and angle B is to angle D is equal to 1 is to 5. Let angle A is equal to 3x, angle B will be x. Let angle D as 5x and angle C as x. So, consider the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. So, we can mark the angles A as 3x, B x, C also x, then D 5x. We know opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Which are the opposite angles? Angle A and angle C. So, sum of 3x and x will be 180 degree. That is 3x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So, x is equal to 180 divided by 4, which is equal to 45 degree. So, this angle will be 45 degree. So, what about this angle? This is 45 degree. So, what about the angle? This one, 3x. 3x will be what? 3 into 45, that is equal to 135 degree. This will be 135 degree. Next, angle B plus angle D is 180 degree. Same reason, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So, we can write angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. So, x plus 5x is equal to 180 degree. That is 6x is equal to 180 degree. So, x is equal to 30 degree. So, x we got it as 30 degree. So, what about 5x angle D? So, 3 into 30 which is equal to 150 degree. So, we got the angles A as 135 degree, B as 30 degree, C 45 degree, D 150 degree. Next question number 56. The given figure shows a circle with a center O and angle ABP is equal to 42 degree. Calculate the measure of first one angle PQB, second angle QPB plus angle PBQ. Given ABP is 42 degree, join AP. APB will be 90 degrees since O is the center and AB is the diameter. APB will be 90 degree. This angle in the semicircle is a right angle. So, we can write this as 90 degree. So, this will be 90 degree. Then consider triangle APB. So, what about angle PAB? PAB will be the what? PAB will be sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, PAB we can write it as 180 minus sum of these two. What about 90 plus 42? It is 132. So, what about PAB will be 180 minus 132. 180 minus 132, that is equal to 48 degree. That is PAB will be 48. That is sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, this angle if you want to find out means 180 minus sum of these two angles. 90 plus 42 is 132. 180 minus 132 is 48. That is PAB is 48. But we want to find out PQB. PAB we got it as 48. So, what about the relation between PAB and PQB? That both lies in the same segment. PAB and PQB lies in the same segment PB. So, these two will be equal. No. That is PAB will be same as PQB. We got PAB as 48. So, PQB also will be 48 because angles in the same segment are equal. So, this also will be 48 degree. That is our first part, that is PQB is equal to 48. Next, consider triangle BPQ. BPQ. This triangle BPQ. We know sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This whole P is 90 degree. We are considering only this PQB. So, we are taking only this this angle. So we don't know the value of that P. So sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, that is PBQ, this angle B, plus QPB, this angle. We don't know that. This whole is 90 degree. We don't know this value. Plus PQB plus PBQ plus QPB. That is, these three angles sum is 180 degree. So we want to calculate PBQ plus QPB. That is, value of B plus P we want to find out. That is easy, no? We got the value of Q as 48. So sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, means that is angle P plus, if we are considering triangle, this PBQ angle P plus this angle B plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. We have this Q as 48 degree. We want to find the value of angle P plus angle B only. That is angle P plus angle B only we want to find out. So how we will get angle P plus angle B will be 180 minus 48. That is 180 minus 48, which is equal to 132 degree. How you got this 48 understood now? Already we proved. That is PQB is 48 degree. So we are writing like this way. Angle PBQ, angle PBQ plus angle QPB, this angle plus angle PQB, this angle. This three angle sum is 180 degree. So angle PBQ plus angle QPB plus 48 is equal to 180. So we want to find out angle PBQ plus angle QPB is equal to 180 minus 48, which is equal to 132 degree. Next, question number 57. Last question of this exercise 17A. In this given figure, M is the center of the circle. Chords AB and CD are perpendicular to each other. If angle MAD is equal to X and angle BAC is equal to Y, first one, express angle AMD in terms of X. Second, express angle ABD in terms of Y. Third, prove that X is equal to Y. Given M is the center, AB perpendicular to CD, also given MAD as X and BAC as Y. Since AB is perpendicular to CD, angle AOD will be 90 degree. AM and MD are the radius of the circle, since M is the center of the circle. So AM and MD are the radius. So radius is equal means angle opposite to that particular radius will be equal. So this is X. So what about this angle? This angle will be X, that is MAD is equal to X. Then MDA also will be X. So this angle also will be X, since these two are the radius. Radius will be radius of a circle are equal in length. Consider this triangle AMD. We want to find angle AMD in terms of X. So consider this triangle AMD. A as X and D also as X. So what about M? Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this angle will be 180 minus sum of these two angles. That is 180 minus of X plus X. X plus X is 2X. So 180 minus 2X. That is AMD, we got it as 180 minus 2X. That is our first part. Next, look at angle BAC and BDC. They lies in the same segment BC. No. So BAC and BDC, these two are equal. Given BAC is Y, so BDC also will be y. BDC also will be y because given BAC is y, angles in the same segment are equal, so BDC also will be y. Consider triangle BOD. Consider triangle BOD, this triangle. If you are considering triangle BOD, exterior angle AOD will be equal to this exterior angle, this will be 90 degree, no? So this exterior angle AOD will be equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So which are the two opposite interior angles? That is this y and angle OBD, that is ODB and OBD. Sum of these two will be equal to 90 degree. So we can write angle AOD is equal to angle OBD plus angle BDO. Look at OBD. Instead of OBD, the angle is B. Instead of OBD, we can write it as ABD. That is OBD, we replace it as ABD. Same way, look at BDO. BDO. So angle is D, that is Y. So BDO, instead of BDO, we can write it as BDC. So BDO, we write it as BDC. We know BDC is what? Y. So replace that. ABD, we want to find out. We don't know that. We want to find that ABD. And we know AOD is 90 degree. So replace that as 90 degree. So we will get 90 is equal to angle ABD plus Y. So angle ABD is equal to 90 minus Y. ABD we got it as 90 minus Y. That is the second part. That is express angle ABD in terms of Y. Next we want to prove x is equal to y, third part. For that, look at angle AMD. AMD, that is a central angle. Central angle AMD is 180 minus 2x, we already proved. AMD is equal to, look at ABD. ABD, what is the relation between AMD and ABD? AMD will be twice angle ABD, because we have the theorem that angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference. So we can write 180 minus 2x is equal to 2 angle ABD. Now we proved ABD as what? Now we got it as 90 minus y. Now only we proved that this angle as 90 minus y. So 180 minus 2x is equal to what? 2 into 90 minus y. 180 minus, once again 180 minus 2x is equal to 2 into 90 minus y, because this is a central angle, M is a center. 180 minus 2x is equal to 2 into 90 minus y. So 180 minus 2x is equal to 2 into 90, 180 minus, change the brackets, 2y. So 180 we can cancel. Minus 2x is equal to minus 2y. So minus 2 again we can cancel. So x is equal to y. Therefore we got x is equal to y. So thank you. We are winding up exercise 17A. Next we can start 17B. Thank you.